Chinese mythology, they talk a lot about dragons. Some people think that's just a myth. You know, they were imagining these creatures in the sky and maybe they were smoking too much opium or whatever and saw them. But in actual fact, there's some records that have come down from some of the emperors where the people advising the emperor had a scale of describing the dragons that they saw. And they were by size. They had 1 dragon, 2 dragons. I think the highest they had was 9 dragons, which was the largest that they could see. And they described those, in some cases, by the size of the moon. So 9 dragons was bigger than the moon. Now, there are a lot of people think they were describing comets. You know, dragons, fire-breathing dragons and things like that with tails. I mean, that sounds a whole lot like if you were imagining seeing a comet in the sky with this filament flowing out behind it, that you were seeing a dragon flying through the sky. Way of looking at things was that if they saw 9 dragons, somebody was probably going to kill the emperor. And so they would warn him. They looked at the severity of events, and they knew that if these comets came close to Earth, that they frequently would flip the climate. There would be famine. There would be problems with winter in the summer. Dragons, i.e. comets, were always associated with bad things happening to this planet.